Hello from Wampum, Pennsylvania. I'm John Landell, flute maker, and I've got to show you this flute. I'd like you to hear it because you were interested in what the sound of the flute was. You can hear my flute playing on my website. If you go to that website, and you'll hear me playing a Debussy trio with harp and viola. So I haven't played this flute very much, so I'm still getting used to how it works. Everyone's different. It's 14 karat gold, solid gold, silver, lip plate, keys, rings, everything else is sterling silver. And it's serial number 28. I made this flute probably 30 years ago. It's just been overhauled. All new pads, and the case is beautiful, lovely case, and it's excellent protection for a flute. I made it. So this is how the flute sounds when I play it. One of my teachers was a Boston Symphony flutist in high school, Philip Kaplan. And he was the tester of the flutes at Haynes Flute. He played all of the Haynes flutes and tried them out. And the piece that he played, I'm going to play for you now. I think you know this piece, but I call it the Phil Kaplan Serenade. And then there's the Afternoon of Fun, Debussy. So many things I could do for you. You'd have to ask, tell me what you'd like to hear, or how can we get together. We're only 5 hours from Toronto, so when you get to college, get a car and drive down, and we can meet. That would be my pleasure. So please call me or send me an email, and we'll make arrangements. Okay? Thank you.